Before assembly, check and lay all parts on the ground and group them by number and type. Make sure all pipes and connectors listed in the manual are included. Step 1. Assemble the components to sets. First, assemble the components. Take 4 pipes and 3 connectors. Insert the pipes into the connectors to form one unit. Repeat the same steps to assemble a second component. Step 2. Assemble the B components 9 sets. Next, assemble the B components. Take 3 number 1 pipes and 2 number 3 connectors. Connect them to form one B component. Repeat this process until 9 B components are completed. Step 3. Build the bottom frame using number 490 connectors. Now build the bottom frame using the number 4 connectors. Use number 4 connectors, which are 90-degree connectors. Place the 2 components on the ground with the open ends facing upward. Connect the components and B components together to form the bottom frame. The bottom frame should form a stable square shape. Step 4. Install vertical B components. Insert one B component into the remaining open hole of each number 4 connector. These B components will support the tent structure. Make sure each vertical B component is fully inserted and stands straight. Step 5. Install number 5 120 connectors and assemble the C components for sets. Now install the number 5 connectors. Attach one 120-degree connector to the top of each vertical B component. Next, assemble the C connector units. Each C unit requires 2 pipes and 3 connectors. Assemble the parts to form one complete C unit. Repeat to make 4 identical C units. The open side of each connector should face upward. Check that all connectors are aligned evenly. Attach each C unit to the upward-facing opening of a number 5 connector. Ensure all C units face toward the center of the frame. Step 6. Complete the upper frame. Use 2 additional 120-degree connectors to join the C units together. Take 1 C pipe and use it to connect the 2 opposing number 5 120-degree connectors at the top of the frame. The remaining connectors and remaining B pipes to close any open holes in the frame. At this stage, the tent frame should be fully assembled. Step 7. Tighten and adjust the frame. Carefully turn the frame onto its side. Apply firm pressure to each joint to ensure all pipes are fully seated. Step 8. Install the tent cover and accessories. Place the tent cover over the frame and pull it down evenly on all sides. After placing the tent roof, adjust it so it is centered evenly on the frame. Use the tent ropes to tie and secure the roof to the frame. Please note that it needs to be securely fastened to prevent the top of the tent from falling apart. At the tent entrance, tie the pre-attached tent ropes neatly together. This helps keep the entrance area organized and makes storage easier when the tent is not in use. After removing the cushion, lay it flat and place it on the floor. Before you begin, first take out the plastic needles and tie them securely with the provided cord. After binding, connect them one by one according to the order of decoration. The assembly of the Eaglestone tent is now complete.